New this morning, chances are you're paying more for car insurance these days. On average, folks are paying 18% more.
Yeah, even as inflation cools, car insurance prices remain high because of more crashes, increased litigation, and higher repair costs.
Consumer investigator Steve Staeger is here with some tips from our partners at Consumer Reports to lower your car insurance premiums. Good morning.
Oh, wouldn't it be nice? Good morning. Consumer Reports has 5 tips to get those car insurance rates down. Some of them may work for you, others may not. Number 5, increase your deductible. If you consider a $1,000 deductible, you could save a bundle on your premium. You just want to make sure that you have enough cash in the bank to pay for any out-of-pocket costs after a crash. Number 4, consider if it's time to drop your collision and comprehensive coverage, especially if your car is older and worth less.
The general rule, when the premium is more than 10% of the car's value, it's time to consider dropping collision and maybe comprehensive coverage too.
Number 3, consider a defensive driving class. Some insurance companies will give you a discount if you take one of those classes. Number 2, shop around. Look for a bundle that you could save money by combining your home and auto policies. And last but not least, sign up for driver monitoring. Some insurance companies will discount you as much as $800 for one of those driving monitors that you put on your windshield and they keep track of what you do. Also consider driving a bit less. Insurance companies base their prices on your annual mileage. You could save about $100 if you drive less than 10,000 miles a year. I'm Steve Staeger, Steve on your side, 9 News.
And these days, we'll do anything to save a little bit of money, especially for any families with teenagers in their lives that are about to get a license.
Tell me about it. And I thought that was an interesting tip, the idea drop your comprehensive and your collision insurance if your car is older and it's not really worth the replacement cost. Just make sure you have the liability coverage in case you cause a crash, or you could pay for the other things that are involved in a crash. But I thought that was an interesting tip.
Yeah, because insurance companies aren't going to tell you that on the phone. Like,
No.
by the way, your car is worth less, so you can drop this.
You're going to want that. And like, if you're in a lease like I am, you have to have comprehensive, you have to have collision insurance. Just make sure you know what you need to have going forward.
All right, some good advice. Steve, thank you. Let's get